Hello, hello, good morning, children. Our lesson for today is about estimating the area of a parallelograms, triangle, and trapezoids. Of course, with me, Mama Rita. Okay, before we start, let us try your ability in multiplying numbers. Number 1, 6 times 9 equals. Correct. 54. Next. 7 times 7 equals. Nice one. 49. Next. 8 times 9 equals. Correct. 72. Next. 13 times 5. Correct. 65. Next. 15 times 5. Absolutely. It's 75. I will make it higher. 12 times 12. Correct. 144. Next. 17 times 13 equals. Correct. 221. Next. 18 times 14 equals. Nice one. It's 252. Next. 21 times 16. Correct. 336. Next. Last one is 25 times 18. Correct. It's 450. Okay, good job, class. Let us try this equation. So, 10 times 4 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Correct. How about this one? 9 times 9 plus 3 times 4 divided by 2. Correct. 24 because 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 times 4 divided by 2 is 24. Next, 8 plus 2 times 10 divided by 2 is correct, 50. Good job, class. Okay, let us try to find the area of the following. For number 1 and number 2, the figure is a parallelogram. If you can still recall, the area of a parallelogram formula is base times the height. So by substituting the formula, we have in number 1, 4 times 6 or 6 times 4. What is the answer? Correct. It's 24 square centimeter. How about number 2? This is the same as a parallelogram. So meaning the area is equal to base times the height. Substituting the formula, 5 times 11 or 11 times 5 equals, correct, 55 square meter. Okay, let us proceed to another figure. Another figure is square. And the area of the square is equal to side times the side. Meaning, 6 times 6. What is the answer? Correct. 36 square centimeter. Number 4. Area is equal to side times the side. Correct. 14 times 14 is 196 square centimeter. Let us proceed. Number 5 and number 6 is in the shape of a rectangle. And the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width. So in number 5, we have 10 times 7 equals, correct, 70 square meter. For number 6, we also have length times the width, meaning 11 times 6. Correct, it's 66 square centimeter. Next, this time we have trapezoid. Okay, we have two bases in trapezoid, so the area of a trapezoid is equal to the base 1 plus the base 2 times the height is divided by 2. Okay, so in substituting the formula, we have 7 plus 3 times 5 divided by 2. What is the answer? Correct. It's 25. Okay, next. Number 8. So same as base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So what is the answer? Correct, 30. Why? 15 plus 5 is 20 times 3 60 divided by 2 is 30 square meter. Next. Okay, the last figure is triangle. Okay, in finding the area of a triangle, we have base times the height divided by 2. Okay, so what is the answer here? 20, correct. Why? 8 times 5 is 40 divided by 2 is 20. Okay, now last number. Area is equal to base times the height divided by 2. Correct. It's 21. Why? 42 divided by 2 is 21. Okay, can you give me the area of irregular figure below? Okay, so calculate the area. For number 1, what is the area 1? So we have 5 times 3 equals 15 square meter. Correct. While in the other shape, we have 3 times 3 equals 9 square meter. And 9 plus 15 is the total area now is 24 square meter. Correct. Next, for this figure, 8 times 4 equals 22. So we have 33 square meter. And another figure is 10 times 10, meaning 100 square meter. But the total area now is 132 square meter. Next, so we have another irregular shape here. So 12 times 5 is 60. And another one, A2 is 7 times 5 equals 35. So combining the two, we have 95 square meter. Okay, very good, class. So this time, you can estimate the area of the given figure using a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid. Why parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid? They have common sides, which is diagonal side. So you can estimate the area of a parallelogram, a triangle, and a trapezoid by counting how many square units it takes to cover each figure completely. When only part of a square is included in the figure, you can be able to put it together with the part of another square in the figure to form one whole square. Take note, one square is equivalent to square centimeter. Okay, so let us count. So here in the figure, parallelogram, okay, just count one for another side, okay. Next, to count the number inside, so make sure that we have one whole square and we can count it as one, okay. By estimating this trapezoid, rather parallelogram, we have 128 square centimeter, okay. In figure 2, which is triangle, we have now 20 square centimeter. Okay, for this figure, trapezoid, we have 26 square centimeter. Okay, the area of a parallelogram again in last picture is 28 square centimeter. The area of a triangle is 20 square centimeter. And the area of a trapezoid is 26 square centimeter. In your chat box, just count the number of area in this given figure. Okay? Okay. So there are different ways to estimate the area of irregular figure. If the irregular figure is made up of rectangle and square, add the areas of a rectangle and the square to get the total areas. So, if not easily broken into rectangles or square, trace the figure on a grid paper. Then count the number of the whole square that are completely within the figure. This is the inner measure. Count the number of the whole squares that are partly in the figure. Add the number to the inner measure to get the outer measure. The estimated area is the sum of the inner measure and the outer measure. So here, class, we can count the whole, we can estimate this figure. We can count the whole one. So I will count here and I will not count the other uh, diagonal here. So we have 1, 2, 3. Then another here. 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 square centimeter in this area or in this figure. Next here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So in second figure, we have 19 square centimeter. Next figure is a triangle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is the inner and the outer 13, 14, 15. So the estimated area in figure 3 is 15 square centimeter. Okay, this figure number 4 is trapezoid. So we will count the inner one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, let us count the outer. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So number 5, a rectangular driveway 12 meters long and 5 meters wide is to be covered with the square tiles with side is 24 24 centimeter. About how many tiles are needed to cover the entire driveway? So we have a rectangular. 12 times 5 is 60 square meter. And then cover with the square, which is the tile is 24. The side is 24 centimeter. So we have 24 centimeter, 24 times 24 is equal now to 576 centimeter. So, but the area needed to have meters. So, in conversion, we have 100 centimeter in 1 meter. So, meaning we divide 100 by, so we have 5.76 meter. And 5.76 meter plus 60 meter is 65. So the total tiles that needed is 65.76, or rather 66 tiles for square meter. Okay, for your assignment, okay, just estimate the area of the colored one or the shaded figure. 1 square unit equivalent to 1 square centimeter. Also, just count the number of square units, the colored one. Also, this number. Okay, after counting the number of areas, just turn in your answer to our Google Classroom. For that, have a nice day, class, and goodbye.